Dr. Joe DeMarco, chiropractor and owner of OcraMed Health. And for those of you out there who watch my channel on a regular basis, you know that I oftentimes switch my videos between a therapy type of video and then an exercise type of video. And I was going to do a therapy video today, but then I thought about, with all that's going on out there, the fact that a lot of us are stuck in our homes, we're working from our houses, our gyms are all closing up. I thought it would be good to just kind of make some extra videos of just some home workouts, things you can do at home so you don't go crazy at your house. You can't work out. The last thing we want to do is just be sitting on the couch eating a bag of potato chips, hoping our gym's going to open in the next few weeks. You got to keep exercising. It's the best thing for your body, but it's also the best thing for your mind. You got to stay active. So if you've been sitting at your desk all day, push away from your desk, go throw on a pair of shorts and do this workout with me. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a circuit type of workout. The thing you have to remember when you're trying to do workouts at home, you don't have access to the equipment and the heavy weights, is you got to make it fun. So this is a way I do a circuit a lot of times just to keep it fun. I'm going to take 10 exercises and we're going to work in 15-second intervals. So I'm going to do an exercise for as many repetitions as I can for 15 seconds, and then we rest 15 seconds. Then we do our next exercise for 15 seconds, as many reps, and we just continue that on. You use your 15-second rest period, not necessarily to rest as much as to switch to your next exercise, okay? And so I'm going to show you by using 10 exercises. It's going to take us 5 minutes, but I want you to repeat it 2 more times. So this is basically a 15-minute circuit workout. It's going to get your blood flowing. You're going to feel so much better after you do this. A lot of the stuff you can do at home, minimal to no equipment. This workout, I think all we're going to need is a exercise band, and I'm using an ab roller, and that's it. If you don't have those, improvise and come up with something else. But exercise. I just beg all of you to get out there in your house and start exercising. Don't sit around. I know it's tough for all of us, but we got to keep the blood flowing. All right. So let's get right to it. Okay. So let's get started. Grab your phone, some type of timer. You want to keep your like a stopwatch going because you want to keep the 15-second intervals going. So I'm just going to set my clock so I can kind of keep this along going so I can keep track of the time. So I'm just going to roll right into it. I'll hopefully be able to, each exercise, I'll just explain real quickly what it is. But we're starting off with push-ups to start this circuit. So good form, keep the back tight, nice and straight, all the way down, all the way up. As many reps as you can. We're going to start off, and we're going to get right into it for 15 seconds. Okay, don't even worry about counting the reps. It's not about counting the reps at all. So in my 15-second rest, I'm just going to break out my band. I'm going to step on it shoulder width apart. I'm going to hold it in kind of like a front squat. I'm going to get right into front squats for 15 seconds. Okay. Next, we're going to grab an ab roller. We're going to ab roll for 15 seconds. Keep good form. We've done a previous video on that. I'll put the card up if you want to check it out. There you go. We're going to grab that band again. Like I said, just keep things moving. I'm going to step on my band. I'm going to do some bicep curls. 15 seconds. Okay. When you get down on our mat again, go back into an ab exercise. You can do these with your knees bent, or you can keep them straight. They're like a variation of a leg lift. So sitting on the floor like this, lifting the legs off the ground, 15 seconds. If you have to, bend the knees, that's fine. Okay, we're going to grab that band again. We're going to do some shoulder presses. So we're going to stand on the band and use whatever resistance you need to. Like I said, I'm not counting reps, not important. Grab the band up. Keep breathing through all these exercises. It's a little easier when you're not talking, of course. Okay. I'm a little heavy on this workout for some ab work. I wanted to get a little extra ab work in. So I'm going to go back to an ab exercise. I'm going to do some toe touches. Once again, if you have to, just bend your knees. Okay. Do some exercises for the posture muscles. We're going to grab the band again. Like I said, whatever resistance you need to. From here, we're just going to open up the band. Just like that. I'm straight arming it right across the chest. I'm working those muscles, my posture muscles. And one more. There's another 15. And then this exercise we're going to end with is you can grab your ab roller, or you can just get a slider, and I'm going to use it to do lunges. So I'm going to slide back and forth. I'm going all off one leg. Okay, I'm going to use my 15 seconds to switch the leg. So you can use one of those sliders on your rug, or you can go on a wood floor with socks, however you want to do it, and use it. I'm using my ab roller. It comes in handy for this type of a thing. Good way to do slide back lunges. So I did 15 seconds on my left, and now I'm finishing with 15 seconds on my right. So there you go. So now I'm resting. I'm coming up on 5 minutes. It's a 15-minute workout. Go through that 2 more times. 15-minute workout. You'll get the blood going, my heart rate's going, and I feel awesome. All right, there you go. A simple exercise we all can do. Let's keep our sanity. Let's work through this together. You know, I know you can't get into the gym, a lot of you, but you can do things at home. And if you don't have like a band, you don't have an ab roller, grab some water bottles for resistance, or do whatever you can. Modify that workout. But the idea is just have fun. You know, 15 seconds on, 15 seconds off. You're going to go just back and forth. You're going to feel so much better after you do that, okay? All right. Exercise programs, mobility plans, that new Core Flex ab roller, fascia release tools. If you get some time, check out my website, www.OcraMedHealth.com. Listen, if you're enjoying these videos, please subscribe to my channel, OcraMed Health on YouTube. Questions about exercise or injuries, if you'd like to see some more home workouts, I'm going to try to keep adding some on. Just leave a comment in the comment section below. I always get back to everyone who writes in. And don't forget, OcraMed Health is here to keep you fit forever.